Uh, Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce how to make this style of graphic. You can make combinations between one photo and the alphabet. So I would like to introduce how to make it from the start. So I used photopea.com, the online application which could be used as Photoshop. Then I can choose Instagram size, because if you make it 1080 multiply 1080, you can use it on Instagram and then create with the white background. At first we have to write down the first character. Click the icon T here and click once on the screen. We can enlarge using the free transform menu. I suggest to press shift key on the keyboard while enlarging the size of the alphabet. Okay, this is A. Enter and type 2 again. Select the character, and then we can change the style of the type. This one. Oh, triangle is not the character. I think familiar pro. Okay, I think this is better. And then we have to choose the photo to be the overlay image of the graphic. So I go to the Paysales website and search for it, and then I found this one. I think the size and scale of the texture is appropriate to be the texture of the character. So I download it, and if you want to make a distribution of your graphic, I think you have to say thanks to Brandon. You can copy the script here and write it down in your graphic design to give credit to the owner of the photo. Okay, go back to Photopea and then open a download photo. Command A or Control A to select all, or you can choose the menu select all here and then copy back to the project and paste. Command V. This is quite large for our graphic, so I have to zoom out and then edit free transform. We have to move your cursor over the edge of the rectangle. You can see that the icon will be changed into the arrow. So then you can press left mouse button and drag in order to reduce the size of the photo. I suggest that you have to press shift key on the keyboard while reducing the size of the photo, because the program will keep a right proportion of the photo. Maybe here. Make sure that your photo cover the whole area of the characters and then press enter. Okay, I'm going to save another layer of the forest photo. Can drag the layer 1 on to this icon So the program will create another layer, a duplicate version of layer 1, so I can keep it for using later, and then hide it by pressing on the eye icon here. Okay. Now I'm going to use the type A icon to be a masking layer of the layer 1, so I can press the alternate button on the keyboard or option button if you use the MacBook, and move the cursor over the line between layer 1 and A alphabet, and then press left mouse button. Okay, the program will create a masking layer automatically when you press the the left mouse button. And it's done, but I think we can make it better, because maybe we can make create the excessive area of the tree around here at the edge of the character. So I open the layer 1 copy and then reduce the opacity to around 45 or 50. Sorry, don't move it. Next, I would like to select some part here and erase the excessive area I don't want, so we can keep the form of the A character here. So I'm going to use the pen tool. At first you have to change from shape mode to path mode here, and we don't need the fill color because we just want to use the path as the selection tool. Okay, then you can click. So every time you click your mouse on the screen, the program will create a path which become the area of your selection. This is quite easier than the masking tool sometimes. Okay, I will keep this. Go back to the start point and click, and then zoom it out. We can select make selection button here and then OK. So software will make the inner area of the path to be the selection domain, so you have to select inwards in order to select the other area and then erase it. So I press inward selection and then press delete. Okay, then I can get the character of the tree at the edge of the character, but I need to delete some area here to emphasize the structure of the A character. Okay, select and deselect. We have to go to the path tab bar here because the program already create one work path. So if you want to create a new one, you have to select the new path here, and then you can use pen tool again, select to make a triangle area around here. Okay, and then make a selection. Okay, press delete. Okay, and then we increase the number of opacity here. Select, deselect. Okay, now we can get the final artwork. I think we can change the color of the background because it's the contrast between the green color here and white color of the background is too much. So I press I, and then you can select the color, maybe dark green around here, and then we can use paint bucket to select the background layer and then place that on the background. Okay, this is the final artwork we can get, and then if you want to save the file and keep the layer, you can export it as PSD file. We can use this PSD file with Adobe Photoshop later, or you can go back here to the photopea.com and use the PSD file again. And if you want to submit the file or post it on Instagram, you can export it as PNG. Okay. Oh, sorry, you have to save first. Okay. I think it's okay. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.